Right now, as you're watching this video, someone's kidneys are shutting down. Tick, tock. Without intervention, they have days, maybe hours before their blood turns toxic. But what if I told you that we have a machine that can do the impossible, replace the function of a human organ? This is hemodialysis, a groundbreaking technology that filters waste, salts, and fluid from the blood when the kidneys can no longer do so. And what you're about to learn will change the way you see modern medicine forever. Hemodialysis not only extends lives but also significantly improves the quality of life for millions of patients worldwide. Your kidneys are working right now, filtering about 50 gallons of blood every single day. They remove toxins, balance fluids, regulate blood pressure, and produce vital hormones. But when they fail, everything changes drastically. Imagine your blood turning into a toxic swamp. Waste piles up, fluid overloads your lungs, and your body is drowning from the inside out. Without functioning kidneys, your days are numbered. Chronic kidney disease affects over 10% of the global population. Hemodialysis is nothing short of a medical miracle. It removes your blood, cleans it using an artificial kidney, and sends it back, saving lives one drop at a time. A single session can last 4 hours and filter 12 pints of blood. That's almost all of it. And the craziest part? Patients must do this 3 times a week for the rest of their lives, unless they get a kidney transplant. For many, this machine is their lifeline. But here's the brutal truth: it's not a cure. Recent advancements aim to make the process more efficient and less taxing on patients. Patients often share their experiences, finding strength in community and hope in science. Hemodialysis keeps you alive, but at a cost. Each session is long, exhausting, and sometimes painful. And the worst part? Kidney disease is rising, with over 850 million people worldwide affected. The only way to escape dialysis? A kidney transplant. But with a global shortage of donor kidneys, many patients wait years, and some don't make it. Scientists are working tirelessly to find alternatives, but the challenges remain immense. But what if dialysis wasn't needed at all? Scientists are on the brink of a medical revolution, a bionic kidney that could be implanted inside the body, eliminating the need for dialysis forever. With AI-driven dialysis machines and 3D printed organs, the future of kidney disease treatment could change within our lifetime. Imagine a world where no one has to sit through hours of dialysis ever again. Hemodialysis is an incredible invention, a machine that acts as a kidney. But the real goal? To find a cure, not just a treatment. Advances in bioengineering are bringing us closer to fully artificial kidneys. Will we see these breakthroughs in the next decade? But